Hello everyone, my name is Ms. My topic is about Haja Amina Api. Haja Amina Api, born on June 25, 1925, was a Filipino master, diplomat, weaver, and teacher from the Sama indigenous people and Ogos Matata Tanduba Tawi-Tawi. She was created with creating colorful pandan. Maps with complex geometric patterns, her creation were acclaimed for their destinies of design, precision, and symmetry and sensitivity to color. Si Haja Amina Api, he died April 2, 2013 from Bungaw, Tawi-Tawi. Haja Amina Api was commonly honored with the Gawad ng Manlilikha ng Bayan or Gamaba, also known as the National Living Treasure Award in 2004. Ayon sa National Commission for Culture and the Arts or NCCA, tanan iyang anak nga babae ug apo ipatuloy ra gihapon ang sining ng pagtatahi ng banig ni Haja Amina Api.